that can be understood. I know it's been coming for some time. Where is all the sun to say? It's a rain, a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on sunny day? Yesterday and days before, sun is cool and rain is hot. I know, been that way for all my time. Till forever all these girls through the circle of fire's glow. I know it's cast out. I wonder, I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on sunny day? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on sunny day? Walking the streets so long, see the steam roll sound. I know every grab in the stories so of the brown. Perhaps to the nip of the game, a nice guy who was away like the snow and the rain. There's been love, a crumble bouncing on the road to my horizon. But I'm gonna be where the light is shining on me, like a rhinestone cowboy riding up on a horse in the stars where the rodeo. Like a rhinestone cowboy getting caught a lot of phone people I don't even know, and overs coming over the phone. We're afraid by the rain, it's marking our the pain. We're down, we're riding a train that's talking the long way. And I dream of the thing I do, with the sound we're talking now, dollar that inside my shoes. There's been love compromising on the road to my horizon. But I'm gonna be where the light is shining on me, like a rhinestone cowboy riding up on a horse in the stars, bang the road.